most foldable chair. There's a burn for it. Cool. Open this up, unfold all this down, and then this another Velcro right here. Ooh, nice. Kicks in, and then this will pull out. Nice. And I have right here a really nice swivel chair. That is cool. So this must be the best, most foldable chair right here. Look at that. Swivel so nice, and it's not squeaking or anything. And the cool thing is, like, you see how comfortable I am sitting here, so I can move over, turn around, grab something, and this is me just relaxing and very comfortable to sit on. If I'm like fishing, I can always sit this way, or like I'm doing the marshmallows by the bonfire, a little bit higher position, and I'm again very tall, and this is very comfortable. And the best part is, let's see how well it will pack up. I'll start with these longer pieces, release some of this tightness. It's good, very easy. Wow. Okay, now that it's done, these legs right here with the detachable, attachable Velcro will hold everything together, and this will pull all the way up, and they're all the same length. And another Velcro, just like an umbrella, twist it to the side all the way around and hold everything together and tighten it up. Wow, that is small. Watermelon ball underwater. So let's see what it's all about. It's really popular right now, something new. So it comes with the inflator, but it is a water inflator. How cool is that? Okay, let's try it out. Okay, we go plug it in onto the hose and plug it in into the bowl and turn the water on. Okay, and I can hear the water is running and filling it up. And we got right here, looks like a big watermelon. Looking pretty good. Okay, let's see how it does. Whoop! Whoa, it floated up. That is cool. So it's kind of floats, but bobbing around. It's pretty heavy in there. Cool. So I got GoPro, let's see how it does. Whoa, I love how it's bobbing up and down. Wow, that's cool. So it floats and goes back deep in and floats back up. That is cool. That is like not any other boat. Look at it. I could bob it. Whoa. It goes up and down a lot. That is really neat boat. I guess I'm going in. That is the coolest boat I've ever seen. Very cool. I could definitely use it like a basketball. It kind of goes up and down, floats, goes underwater easily. Look at that, like a basketball. I'm just hitting it on the ground. It comes up and down. So awesome. Boom. Yeah. Bitbar, the pocket-friendly EDC screwdriver. Another one, graded 5 titanium. Big idea design. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Ooh, comes with one of those holder, like a belt holder. And this is something very unique. Let's find out. So very stylish, black. So there's a button and it will release all of the beads. Probably most useful for me is the Phillips and flathead. Okay, and it goes into here, and we have a little screwdriver which is really easy to use, or looks like sideways this way. That's cool. And if we need extender, goes into here, a real stone magnet pull, and goes into here. so we can get into like a spaces, so it clears this screwdriver holder. It says TI, stands for titanium. It's just such a cool design. I never seen one like that. Does this hold anywhere? Does not look like it. That's cool. I guess it goes into here and the bit goes into here. Very cool. It's pretty heavy, so probably will go in the pouch, but again, what an awesome way to reposition one of these things. So just take it out, lock it in, pull one out. That is so easy. This is genius right here. And when I put one in, I don't even have to pull it out, but I can pull it out, put different bits in, whatever I use the most, but pretty much one of each is perfect. Love it. So unique. I love unique EDC gadgets like that. Pocket screwdrivers, everyday carry. It's very compact, that's why it's everyday carry. Type pry bar. Let's see what this one is all about. This one is titanium, is really lightweight. This one, the particular, is a little bit hefty compared to the other pry bar I've seen. This is graded 5 because it has like some kind of magnet inside here. I don't know, maybe not, but what is this? Yeah, just tension, I think. That is so cool. Very clicky, so fidgety. So first of all, we have a really nice pry bar to get to something and pry it open. Maybe lids, bottle opener. Also, it's sharp enough to open up boxes, like breaking up the tape or scraping something off. Just so many uses. I love it. It says TI right here, stands for titanium. There's a linear bead or keychain holder. Beautiful design, very comfortable. But it is cool how there's a little fidgety. I can go 2 at a time, 1 at a time. The whole thing, 1 at a time. Very, very satisfying. So definitely one of a kind pry bar with the fidget blocks over here. Love it. Fidget pry bar. New Hoto flashlight. Let's see what it's all about. It's like a flashlight lantern. Comes with a Velcro over here. What is that for? Okay. Ooh, look at that. I like that. It's a swivel with a magnet right here. Ooh, look at that. That's also magnetic right here. Little clip. And the charger is right here. Very stone magnet. Okay, there you go. Just press and hold. And we have a lamp right here. Yellow. A darker. And then kind of like changing colors. Interesting. Okay, then I twist this right here. Ooh, this is white now. That's cool. Flashing red, flashing yellow. So lantern. Brighter. Wow, it gets really bright. And then twist this way. And then we have regular flashlight right here. With 3 moods. And super bright right here. This right here will go over some kind of like a branch or a stick, and then connects it to this like lantern, this way or this way, and then I can just take off the flashlight, use it, and then put it back on. That is really cool. Very innovative. Okay, let's see how bright it is in the dark. Oh, cool. Green light. Okay, very bright, kind of like a spotlight, and far as well. So like 3 layers. First layer is kind of close by, and a spotlight. See the difference? And much brighter. So it's like doubling. This first circle, not very far away, just close up to see where I'm walking. And then there's a spotlight. There you go. That lantern is very, very bright. That's amazing. And then twist it one more, and then we have yellow, just different color for camping. Probably feels a little bit better this way. Then flashing. Oh, looks like flame. That's what it is. It looks like fire. Then red, and changing colors. I don't know what's for. I guess it's cool. I like it how easy it is to hang it and take it off. That is so cool. Check this out. Just hang it and then magnetize, and I have right here a little lamp. Move it a little bit this way. Very bright. Love it. Take it off, twist it and turn it and lock it in. Wow, amazing.